The Japanese Green Tea Company can make your loose leaf tea even better. Our Japanese tea filters enhance your brewing experience and allow you to convert any loose leaf tea into a tea bag. These clever bags are an ideal way to get more out of your favorite tea and are excellent for both hot and cold brew. Our tea bags are strategically oversized so that your tea leaves are able to fully unfurl, giving them the ability to release both maximum flavor and aroma. Each pack comes with 144 high-quality filters that are 100% biodegradable. Japanese people often use these bags because many Japanese teas are not available in tea bag form, and the steeping process is also much quicker. Enjoy your favorite loose leaf tea in a more comfortable way with our easy-to-use tea bags. The Japanese Green Tea Company, harvested with love in Japan.